SQL for Finance. Episode 6. Window Functions. By Episode 5, you can stage any reporting query inside a with clause and read it top to bottom. But running totals, prior period changes, ranks within a group, share of region, group by runs out of room. Today we cover the tool that fills that gap. Window functions. Aggregates that keep every row. Group by is one of the workhorses of SQL, but it has one defining behavior. It collapses rows. 12 months in, 1 row out. Most finance reporting needs the opposite. Show me every month, and attach the year total. Show me every customer, and attach their region's share. Keep the rows. Add the aggregate. That's exactly what a window function does. Sum revenue over empty parens computes the year total once, then attaches it to every row. 12 rows in, 12 rows out. The aggregate stayed beside the data. Same sum. Different shape. Let's see how the over clause does it. The simplest window function. An aggregate, over, then parentheses. Watch what the parens do. Standard CTE first. Monthly revenue from the GL journal. 12 rows in, 12 rows out, 1 per month. Here's the new piece. Sum of revenue. Over, then empty parentheses. Empty window means sum across the entire result. The year total of 10.46 million gets attached to every row. Same window used inline a second time as the denominator. Percent of year computed in one select. "12 rows kept. November 14.9% of the year. January 4.3. The aggregates stayed alongside the data, exactly what Group Y couldn't do. Time to break down the over clause. 3 pieces inside the parentheses. The aggregate, then partition by, then order by. Each one optional. Each one changes the shape of the window. Shape 1. Empty parens. The window is the whole result set. Use it for year totals and share of year. Shape 2. Partition by a column. The window splits into independent groups. 1 per value of that column. Use it for per region totals or share of group. Shape 3. Order by a column inside over. The window becomes everything from the start through the current row. Use it for running totals, year to date, or lag and lead. The centerpiece. The whole month-over-month dashboard in one query. Standard monthly CTE first. Same shape as episode 5. 12 rows in, 12 rows out. The input. Here's lag. Lag of revenue, over, order by month. Lag looks one row backwards in the ordered window. So for February, previous underscore month is January's revenue. There's also lead, which goes the other direction. Then revenue minus lag of revenue gives month-over-month change. And sum of revenue over order by month. With order by inside over, the default frame is start through current row. That's a running total, with no extra syntax. Same window with empty parens gives the year denominator one more time. There it is. Q1 ramp. September dip. October jump of 485,000. November peak of 1.5 million, almost 15% of the year. December slump. All from one select. 3 ranking functions. Let's see why they differ. First, a CTE. Total units sold per product from the order lines table. Now the 3 rank functions, RO underscore number, rank, and dense underscore rank, each over order by units descending. Same input, same order by, only the function differs. Now the top-end pattern. Same idea with partition by region. Top 3 customers in every region, in one query. Row underscore number over partition by region restarts the rank inside each region. The outer where rn less than or equal to 3 filters the rest out. This is the pattern most finance teams discover late. What we learned. Reach for a window function when you need a row-level aggregate. 4 signals to watch for. First, ranking inside groups. Top 3 per region, customer rank by industry. Row to W underscore number and rank with partition by bilan. Second, row to row comparisons. Prior period or next period. LAG and LET. Third, running totals. Year-to-date revenue, AR aging buckets, depreciation schedules. Fourth, share of total. Percent of region, percent of year, percent of category. Just SUM divided by sum over. Episode 7. Dates, fiscal periods, the date spine. That's episode 6 of SQL for Finance. All the queries from this episode are on the GitHub repo. Subscribe, and the next 2 episodes show up in your feed. See you in episode 7.